Some YouTubers do monthly Pennywise hauls, others do extreme Pennywise hauls. I do neither. Now, while I tend to keep to a list when I go, sometimes I find myself picking up some other random things that may come in handy. Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel aka Nelly B, and I've noticed that within the past 2 weeks or so, a lot of my YouTuber friends have done Pennywise hauls, whether it's their normal monthly haul, whether it's the first time they've really shopped Pennywise, or if it is they just needed a whole bunch of stuff. For me, I tend to be a Pennywise minimalist. However, I needed to go recently, so I decided to don my mask, jump in the car, and head to the Pennywise closest to me. The funny thing is that I literally just went in there for one thing and came out with quite a few, but at the same time still keeping within a very low budget of I think $137.20 or 18 cents. But enough yapping, let me show you what I got. So this is what I went to Pennywise for. This was the real necessity. So anything that I show you guys outside of that, which is everything else, was just oh, let me pick this up while I'm here. So the not necessary, but while I was here I might as well get it item is a bottle of Modessa moisturizing hand soap. This is the shea butter. What I use in the bathroom sink is one of those bottles that converts the liquid soap to foam. So I tend to buy these because this will last me a few months well, because you only have to use like half of the other bottle's actual quantity, mix it with water, and then once you're pumping down to use it, it comes out as a foam. I would definitely recommend you get a bottle like that because it will save you coins on your hand soap. The next thing I picked up is a powder puff bowl. No babies around here, no babies anytime soon. We're good, we're safe. However, I do use powder from time to time, and I've always just wanted a powder puff bowl instead of just having it in the bottle. So I think this was like $8, so I just decided to get this. The next thing I got was neem oil, and the reason why I bought this is because neem oil is a really good way to treat with leaf miners. Leaf miners are essentially a larvae that eats through leaves, and it just leaves like these white squiggly lines all over your leaves, which just annoys me very much, and it has been bothering some of my plants. So after researching, I found out that neem oil helps. A few drops in water, give it a good shake, spray it, and since I've been using neem oil, I have not had any issues with leaf miners. Somewhat related to the neem oil and my plant things, would you guys be interested in seeing like me doing a video on the different plants that I have? I have some ornamentals and I have some veggie stuff. Would you all be interested in seeing that? Let me know. The next thing I got was these two car fresheners. This black ice, my husband swears by these. He puts them in his car all the time. He actually doesn't know that I bought these. When he gets home, I'm just gonna give them to him and be like, here, look for your car. Truthfully, they do smell pretty nice and they actually last a good while and they're very cheap. The next thing I got was a small bottle of the Wetline Extreme. I don't particularly use much styling gel like these anymore. I may just use them to lay my edges down when I'm wearing a puff, or if I need them for particular style. So I normally just go with the small one because this will last me a while. And last but not least, we have these shower gloves, if you call them. I'm honestly not sure what you call them. Oh, they have the name. Exfoliating bath gloves. I got 2 pairs, and that's because I bought a pair sometime last year and a certain husband of mine seems to enjoy them. So now I have to get 2 pairs because the pair that I originally bought is pretty much destroyed. And that is it for my Pennywise haul. I told you guys, my Pennywise hauls are really minimal. I go to Pennywise maybe 3 times, 4 times for the year, if so much. And when I do, I just buy the things that I need. And I think also a good part of it has to play with the fact that when it comes to like beauty care, skincare, etc., because I support local, I tend to order things from local brands directly, or a lot of times local brands send me stuff that I have a stash there that I can use and not necessarily have to run to Pennywise for everything else. Thinking back, I think the last time I went to Pennywise was when I did that collaboration with Nelly. So that would have been September of last year. So I've not really been into a Pennywise, or if I went to, I didn't pick up anything since last year September. That's to show you how little I shop there. Truthfully though, I honestly wish that we had more local brands in Pennywise. I know that there are quite a few, especially for hair care stuff, but we have so many amazing local brands for just like beauty care, not just hair alone, that I think would benefit from being in Pennywise. And you know, it's just a dream. Maybe one day in the future I could walk into Pennywise and see like a bunch of local stuff just there on display, but a girl can hope. So let me know in the comments, are you A, must go every month to Pennywise, B, you don't go every month but when you do go you spend a ton of money, or C, a minimalist? Leave a comment and share your thoughts. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.